Okay, terima kasih. Oke, keyboard. Okay, ready? Ready. We have 10 minutes to present, then we have 5 minutes to discuss. Okay? Let me show.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Daniel. Today we will presentation about this project. Topic is Certificate Center Level using MS Project 5. This project major project is Synergy Election Purba SPD MPD. I have appreciate to your time to listen our project. Let me introduce our member team. My name is Husain Alhamid.
My name is Lalu Betulina. And me, Esa Fadil Mubarak.
My name is Richard Mubarak. My name is Muhammad Zagrab.
Next, I will explain about our project structure. Synergy Election Purba as the project manager, Raja Mulia as the leader, Esa Fadrian and Richards Manuel as mechanical, Husain Alhamid and Muhammad Zaki Rabani as electrical. Next slide, background and objective will explain by Raja.
Background data communication using LRs or 5 is usually used in industry. One of the application is the level sensor monitoring system. The number dynamic is managed as learning media that can simulate the work of level sensor with LRs for 5 combination. And objective adalah one design mechanical and electrical level sensor directly that use LS485. Two is practical learning media to understand the level sensor monitoring system. And the last application automation concept including level sensor based automatic system.
Thank you, Raja. Next slide about mechanical and electrical is explained by Zaki.
So this is our mechanical design. The reason why we use design like this because by using this design we can arrange our component easily and it can be used easily too for learning or for demonstration. Okay. Next is electrical. This is our electrical. So component we're using here is to Arduino Uno as the brain and to RS485 for the serial communication between the Arduino and the sensor. And for the sensor, we're using 5 sensors. The first is the cosmic sensor, and next is electric sensor, magnetic sensor, infrared sensor, and optic sensor. And for the output, we're using one LED. Next.
Thank you, Zaki. Next slide about progress PBL and knowledge acquired, explained by Lisa.
Okay, it's my turn. The progress PBL. Report 1. Discuss with Manpro recurring. The concept to be used to train it. And point 2. Determine what components will be used in the train it. Point 3. Design mechanical and electrical and PXS level with FS485. And the last, make file report and RAP. PPT and the last is poster. Okay, it's about knowledge acquired, and the first is basic knowledge of level sensor, and 2 learn design mechanical and electrical, use software, SolidWorks and Caltech Designer, and the 3 problem solving skill and in real project and teamwork in design the train ticket.
Thank you, Esa. Next slide about obstacle and conclusion will be explained by Vika.
Our effort in this project, the first we have gathered on and user difficult in understanding serial communication using RS485, and the last requires a basic understanding of electronics and serial communication. And next, there is a conclusion. This kernel kit is designed for simulation and learning of level measurement, liquid or solid, using sensor with RS485 output, understand and the working principle of level sensor. RS485 configuration and industrial communication protocol, sensor calibration training, PLC or microcontroller programming, and real-time analysis. Thank you.
Next slide is the result of our project. Okay, that is all the result of our program. Next session is discussion.
Okay, thank you guys. What is your prediction of your PBL from 0 to 100%? So what's the position of your in your opinion?
In my opinion, this project 90% because we have done design electrical and mechanical, and we don't have make the poster and final report.
So the rest of 5%, what will you do to make 100%? To make 100%, 95, yeah. So you have 5 more percent you have to do. So what will you do to make 100%?
We will make a poster because on this project overall we have finished, but the poster is not yet.
Okay. So the target is only for the design relative, yeah, only that. So for the next PBL, if you choose to make this to do this project again, what will you do?
Okay, maybe just Zaki and Hussein continue this project because Richard, me and Raja was not PBL anymore in semester 7.
Oh yeah, you do your final project.
Yes.
Why don't you do this to become your final project?
Because I get my final project first, and the second the project PBL.
Okay, well done. Good job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's all for our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.